You want some chips and salsa?
I'm Top Gun now, motherfucker.
Best costume in the house. Dan Lyon. Hey, come over here, Dan Lyon.
Excuse me, ma'am. Oh,
sorry.
Come out. Step out. Okay.
Shit, bro. Damn. Hey, get back. Hey, no paparazzi, motherfucker. Oh, no photograph. No photograph.
Nice.
Guns manhandle. Are you filming me?
Batman.
Batman.
Fuck with me, bitch. Oh my God, just called a nigga lacking. We got third place in them back, and we gon' let him have.
Welcome to Ram Ranch. This is Ram Ranch.
Let me ram you.
No ads, no music.
Straight with ram. Ram Ranch. I'm gonna ram Nate.
Oh my.
How you doing,
not
sweetie?
expecting that.
How you doing, sweetie?
Holy shit. I was not expecting.
If you got a problem, then refer to me. I'm standing 10 toes with my team. You listen to K-pop?
Hey, cutie, you wanna dance?
I'm a man.
Work that thing.
Stinky.
Boys better behave or else I'm getting out the fucking Batmobile and I'm gonna run your asses over. What do we need to talk about?
Because, you know, you're Batman and I'm Joker.
That is very true. Yeah.
We need to have a conversation.
All right, yeah. We'll level out the playing fields real quick and then we'll talk, okay?
Okay.
We should be good to go. I say we meet behind the Gotham City Theater and then we can hash shit out.
I got something at like 8:30, so if we could do it like kind of quick, that'd be like better.
I got movie night tonight. The Ball and Chain wants me to go to movie night, dude.
Dude, alright, I understand. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
8:30 Saturday night, Gotham City Theater.
Try that.
Okay. Why are you so serious right now?
Are they doing a drug deal?
Just take it easy. Shake my hand. Shake his hand. I want to shake his hand. I want to shake your hand. Pendejo! Stop!